Hi there, it's AJ here. If you've looked through the Mobilize It templates in Site Designer Gallery, you might have noticed that there are no single column templates available. However, in my last video I said I would show you how you can get one, and because we don't have any side columns, we're going to have the added bonus of having our footer at the bottom of the page. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to Site Designer Gallery and select all templates to view. And if you go right to the bottom, I'm just going to press my N key to get down there. There's a template called Custom CSS, this one here. So if we select this design, then we can go to Site Designer and start making a few changes. The first thing you want to do is paste in the CSS. You'll find that in the description of this video. I won't go into the details of what it's doing, but in general we're just widening the content column and we're getting rid of the nav column so that we have only one single column on the page. The next thing I did was some very minimal styling. I put in a very simple header. I removed the borders from around the top navigation because of course we're going to have to use a top drop down nav because we have no side columns, and I put a faint pastel colour body background. Next thing I did was I went to Block Builder, and one of the top of header site-wide dots I've placed a container which I've set to desktop tablets only, and inside that container I've just dragged and dropped a navigation bar, a horizontal navigation bar, which I have aligned to center. Now of course we don't want this showing up on mobiles, it's not going to look good, so that's the reason I put it in the desktop only container. But of course we need a navigation for mobile view, so down the bottom of the page I've selected another site-wide dot, and this is the below bottom navigation. In that I've put a container which I've set to show on mobile devices only. I've then put a text block with my menu headline, and below that I've dragged another navigation bar in and I've selected the vertical option. This is the one that will be seen on mobiles. Once that's done, I've previewed the page, and what I see is this here. Of course I can't see the mobile navigation, but that doesn't matter, I know it's there. The next thing I did was I went to Site Central, and if you've saved a Mobilize It template, then you get this Mobilize It link here in Site Central. If you've got a responsive template, don't bother looking for that link because it won't appear. Once I've clicked on that, I've just put this across to on. The default position is off. You can do some testing if you want to, but in my case I just put it straight to on and clicked Update Mobilize It. I then went and checked in the mobile friendly Google page, and I've been told that my page is mobile friendly. It's got the stamp of approval. I've taken a screenshot of how it looks on my phone, and as you can see it's all fitting nicely onto the screen. I've got my full site and navigation buttons at the top, and if I were to click the navigation, then that takes me down to the menu with the footer right at the bottom. There's no columns to go underneath it. So that's pretty much it. A few minutes work and you've got a mobile friendly website. If you enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe to my channel and click this icon to get notified about new videos. And of course, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.